In this video, we're going to show you how to create a recurring tenant income due item. You can use this when you want to add other monthly recurring income that is due from the tenant. For example, this includes a monthly laundry fee, monthly pet fee, or monthly parking fee. You can also create a recurring tenant income due item when there is rent you would like to track for a co-tenant or roommate in the property or unit. You can create this when adding a new tenant and inputting the lease information for the tenant. To get there, we will start by adding the tenant's information. Right now, we are currently on the property worksheet. Now let's click Add Tenant. Here we can add the contact information for the tenant. Once completed, then click Continue. This will now lead us to the next page, where we can add the lease information. We will input the lease start date as September 1st and the lease end date as August 31st of the following year. The rent amount and due date will also be specified here. Now let's click on Recurring Income Items. Here you can add other income due items. For example, we will add parking fee here. Next, select the start date and end date. Next, add the amount. Then click Save. You can also add rent details for a roommate here as well. Simply, click Add, Roommate Rent. Here you will add the name. Next, select the start date and end date. Next, you will add the rent amount. Then, click Save. Now that you have added the roommate's information, you can see all of the details here. If you would like to make any edits or delete this, you can do so by clicking here. When finished, click Save. On the property worksheet, we see an overdue in red. When we hover our mouse over it, we can see what is due. We see the monthly rent, the parking fee, and the rent due from the roommate.